Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we fit another Starline i96 on this really lovely brand new Range Rover Evoque 2021, the one with the new steering wheel. So what we're going to pair up the phone as an authorization tag. The way you do that is, first of all, turn the ignition on, disarm the system. On here we've done something very basic, so 1, 2, 3, receive our melody. There you go. And then you hit this button 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Key off. Key back on, you get 7 bleeps. Then you begin to search from here. Search. So we found it, Starline i96, so we select it. Then we insert 6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and hit pair. You'll hear a bleep. There you go. If we now turn off the ignition, we'll get 1 bleep, which means 1 tag has been programmed. So now if we go into the app, turn on the ignition, there you go, got a green band around it, that means we can start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, when you want to take the car for a service, this is really simple and straightforward, and the way you do that is put your finger on the key, hold it till it goes to amber, release, get 2 bleeps, and then when you get the vehicle back, put your finger back on the key, hold it till it goes back to green, and release, and we get 2 bleeps. So now this is in an arm state, so when it's out of range, obviously the vehicle won't start. Hope you found this quick video helpful. My name is Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much, bye bye.